Yesterday I bought this new 21.5-inch iMac. And now today I got my RAM upgrade from OWC. Now this is, right in here is 8 gigabytes. There's another 4 in my machine there. So in total I will have 12 gigabytes of RAM when this is all done. And now we're just going to unbox this RAM real quick. Obviously we need to take it out of the box before we upgrade it. And this does not use Apple tape. So, take this out of the package pretty simply. Like that. And here's the RAM. These are two 4 gigabyte modules. Sold by and manufactured by OWC. Styrofoam. And the box I no longer have a use for. And this was $117 with shipping, and I got FedEx overnight. Okay. Well, let's just take this off. This screw, so cut this off here. I don't care how fast it does that. Sorry, you can see I do not have your fingernails. And here's the RAM. Alright, so I have it laid down now. And I already undid 2 of the 3 screws. They're located right here. Now, I have done this before. It's just been a bit. Now, right now I'm just going to unscrew this screw. I figure I might as well document this in case somebody needs to be educated on how to use a screwdriver. As you see, I still haven't taken it out of its box packaging. And I don't know if anybody here can see this, but there are 2 of the 4 RAM slots here are filled up. You can see they're like basically stacked on top of each other. And those are my 2 2-gigabyte modules. This thing came with 4 gigabytes of RAM, as I stated before. And now, let's just take this out of its packaging and be careful with it. Probably should be grounding myself, but I'm not. Let's say, no, you're supposed to ground yourself. I'm just too damn lazy. And let's hope I got this right. Might put this backwards. Oh yeah, I probably am. And lots of comments roaring, calling me an idiot. After all, what kind of idiot puts in RAM upside down? Let's see here. Excuse me a second? Oh, maybe I didn't. I don't know. I think it's right. And maybe I did have it right the first time. Well, it's not as far as I suppose. Yeah, we'll try. Oh, there it goes. Takes a little bit of force. So now I remember. Insert label up. You know what? That's why we make these videos. So you guys don't screw up like I did. Now let's put. There we go. Got a little bit easier last time. And now let's try not to make contact. You know, I'm probably creating like a really bad scenario for static shocks, but you know, I'm not necessarily as rich as I look here. if all goes well, there should be 12 gigabytes of RAM in here now. So let's just tuck this back in here. And no, it's fine. And let's hope that I didn't screw anything up. Yeah, let's just get this thing back on here. Now, for an Apple product, this cover is pretty damn flimsy. Whatever. It's not that flimsy, but... And I screwed up putting on the cover like I did last time. It's now really obvious that I have upgraded this, but you know what? I made it a little bit more my own. I think I did it even worse than last time, actually. Screw this over. Now, there is no denying this computer is mine. So, enough fiddling around here. And with all that done, that's it.